Hey everyone, we just thought we would get a quick video out here to show you, after watching countless videos and speaking with the people of Kleen Tank at several of the rallies we've been at, we have actually switched over almost 100% to using this solution, which we mix up ourselves. And what it is, I'm going to get a little closer here, so try this instead. Mix 8 ounces of Calgon Ageless Bath Pearls. Now, it has to be the Calgon Ageless Bath Pearls, and 40 ounces of Pine Sol into a gallon jug. I like the lemon scent, so that's what we use. Friends of ours use the pine scent. It's really up to you. Fill the jug with water. So you put those two solutions in. Then you fill that gallon jug up with water and shake gently and allow any foam to settle down. Use 4 to 8 ounces as directed in each tank every time you have your tank empty. We use this in our black tank and in our fresh tank.
No.
No, I mean, excuse me. Oh, wow, that was bad. Not the fresh tank, the gray tank. Yeah, gray tank. Whoops, I'm so sorry. Disregard that. Black tank and gray tank only. And it has been doing a great job. And it is very, very economical. And weight-wise, the bath pearls, the ageless bath pearls, don't weigh but anything. Yep, Kevin's got a picture of that. I did have a still picture, but again, make sure you get the ageless bath pearls. We bought it off of Amazon.